The Senate is expected to vote today on whether to codify abortion rights into federal law.
Now, this comes in response to a leaked Supreme Court draft opinion that overturns the landmark Roe v. Wade decision. If the legislation passes, it would protect abortion access nationwide. But the bill is expected to fail, with Democrats falling short of the 60 votes they need to break a Republican filibuster.
CBS News political reporter Caitlin Huey-Burns joins us now with more from Capitol Hill. Hi, Caitlin. Great to see you. So, if this vote is expected to fail, why do Democrats believe it's so crucial to hold it? And knowing the bill's sort of DOA status, why not present a more scaled down bill that might have some bipartisan support?
Yeah, Tanya, that's exactly what I've been posing to Democratic lawmakers up here on Capitol Hill. So why bring a vote to the floor that you know is going to fail? Well, this is all about midterm messaging. Democrats say that now that the overturning of Roe v. Wade is no longer just some kind of a threat, it is a very real possibility and likelihood now that it will be overturned given that leaked draft. It no longer is just something they talk about, it's now reality. They want to get everybody on record about where they stand on this issue, and they know that all the Republicans are going to vote against this piece of legislation. And we just heard from Joe Manchin, the Democrat from West Virginia, who also said that he is not going to vote for this as well. Remember, when they brought this bill up in February, he joined Republicans to vote against bringing this up for debate. So we're going to see the same breakdown now. And the important thing here is that Democrats really want to send this message to their base of support that is very, very animated about this. And they have a lot of things working against them. You know that we just played that segment about inflation and the economy. They believe this will galvanize voters. Interestingly, though, when you look at our CBS News polling, about 2/3 of voters say that this is not going to move them either way in terms of mobilizing them to turn out to vote. But Democrats are twice as likely than Republicans to use this as an issue to come out and vote. So that's kind of where the politics play here. But the big question is, once this vote fails, which it is expected to do, will leaders then look to other measures and perhaps some compromise measures that they could take up to show their voters that they're at least trying everything they can to codify Roe?
Caitlin, I'm sure you're hearing some Republicans on Capitol Hill call this bill radical. What elements of the bill are they having problems with? And do Republicans have their own proposal in the works?
Yeah, Mola, Republicans that I've been talking to this morning say that this bill not only codifies Roe into law, but also limits restrictions that we've seen passed at the state level. Restrictions like, requiring a medical examination or an ultrasound or a medical procedure before you have an abortion, requiring wait times before you have an abortion, requiring, penalties or, easing or implementing restrictions on abortion providers. It also gives some guidance for courts when they're determining abortion rights. Republicans do have a bill of their own. Senators Lisa Murkowski and Susan Collins are really the only pro-abortion rights Republicans up here in the Senate. They have proposed a measure that is just a straightforward codification of Roe. But Democrats I've been talking to, I say, look, can you support this if this other bill fails today? And they say that the Collins-Murkowski bill doesn't go far enough. So, we'll see what Chuck Schumer decides to do after this vote today. He knows he has a very restive base that wants to see something done on abortion rights. But Democrats maintain, and ones I've talked to say that, look, this is going to be an issue for voters to decide in the 2022 midterms.
All right, Caitlin Huey-Burns on Capitol Hill. Thank you so much for that.